It looks badass. It's just badass. Spikes by MTV Manufacturing. Hi guys, this is Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger, and this channel is everything about riding, fun and petrol heavy. And today's video is about those spikes, brand new product from MTV Manufacturing. And what you will find out in today's video: first, what is inside, what are the spikes about, two, how to install them. So guys, let's not waste your time. Enough of this, let's get started. Now, what is inside of the box of the spikes from MTV Manufacturing and how to install them? So let's start with what is inside. Of course, beautiful packaging done by us. And you have two spikes for your front wheels, of course. And they will come in different colors. We are starting with polished aluminium. Then it's going to be a dragon red, Daytona yellow, and of course pure black, all shiny colors, so not matte colors but shiny. What else is inside? You have this blue thing. It's actually a glue for steel. Why it is so, I will explain it in a minute, also with this locking mechanism, and you will be able to use, if you want, you will be able to use the glue. If you don't have to use it. It's completely up to you. So let's install it. Now, first thing that we will need to do, we will need to remove the wheel. So we will need to remove the front two wheels from our Spyder. Of course, I will show it to you how. And let me explain you very quickly why. Simply because this is a high quality aluminium. It's not cheap plastic. And first of all, it's 160 grams. So we needed to make a patent that will lock these spikes in your wheel, and they will not fly away on the highway. So the pattern needs to be installed in the way that the wheel is out from your bike. That's the first thing. Second thing, why such a patent? It's because this is, I think, beautiful thing. It's not a cheap thing, and I didn't want anyone to just simply steal it from you. So two things why the pattern. It's on a spike like this. For those that never done removing the wheel, we will need a lift, how to raise your bike, and we will need to unscrew the three bolts basically. First, untight those bolts, that's the first thing, and second, then raise your bike and undo those bolts. So let's do it. Once the bolts are free to go, we can raise the bike. Now this is probably the most difficult part out of the whole installation. What you will need to do, you will need to just slightly put this screw in, and you will get two bolts for each spike, or two pins, I'm sorry, for each spike. Insert them in the way that this side is a little bit brushed, it has tiny angle, I would say. This one is completely flat. So with the brush side, put that inside like this and like this, and the whole mechanism is basically very simple. Once you tie this screw, this thing will pop out and they will be held in place. For those they are a little bit, I would say, paranoid, or they would like to feel a little bit secure, you can put this glue inside of this. You can put this screw inside of that blue glue and then tie it, so definitely it won't go anywhere. I will not use it because I know they hold very well even without this, but as I said, rather we will give it to everyone, and it's everyone's call if they would like to use it or not. Now all you have to do, put it inside and tie them from the other side. Oh yeah, and before the installation, just make sure that if you tie them, they are going up or out basically, so the mechanism is working, okay? And there you go, it's all done. Now let's put this wheel back on. Again, for those that never put wheel back on before, we'll do it step by step, don't worry. There are a few rules that you need to follow. So basically first, just put the wheel back on those basically screws. Still have the bike raised, of course. Put your screws back on, one by one. Now, rule number one, never do one screw full and then rest of them. Always goes like a little bit of the one screw, a little bit of the other, and tie them up like, you know, in the go. Then you can bounce a little bit the wheel so it fits all the way to the disc, you know, to its place. Tight it just a little. And what we need to do now, we really need to make sure everything is super tight. Now, of course, in the manual you may find how much of the Newton meters, how much pressure you should put to these bolts. In my studio, this is the only Newton meter. Now, all you need to do, of course, is to do the other side. My tip here is, and it doesn't matter how many tire changes or wheel changes I have done, always what I do, I go for a ride, I do like 20 kilometers or 15 kilometers, and I stop. I have my screwdriver with me, and I make sure everything is tight. I try to, you know, because the wheel will balance a little, so I then try to be a little bit more, you know, tight, and off I go. And just for my peace in my mind, I do it again in the evening. So guys, now let's ride and let's see how they really look on the sun. Ooh, it looks badass. I mean, it's just badass. Spikes by MTV Manufacturing. How this works, guys, these ones are for stock wheels for all BRP Can Am Spyder riders or Spyder owners. For all stock wheels, you are good to go with these spikes. Check MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. The link to these products are also in the description, but check it on my webpage. Check for colors and stay tuned, because I don't know when you are watching. Now it's September when I'm recording, but we will bring, of course, spikes for PPA wheels. I'm riding with PPA wheels. I have a lot of them on my shop, so the beast needs to get spikes, but we have started with stock ones. Don't ask me why, probably, I don't know, I don't know. So anyway, spikes. Now I'm going for a ride to record some more videos. And by the way, this is not here, this is here actually on purpose, because spikes for the Riker are coming very shortly, and we will do it proper way, like also with the inner caps. You know that I have inner caps for Spyder to protecting your inside part of your wheel, and we will do spikes with the inner caps if it will be possible. So guys, stay tuned. Many things are happening. MTV Manufacturing, MTV Online Shop, Martin the Vlogger, the largest vlog, so many things. Now subscribe, like, dislike, comment, ask, do whatever, but most importantly, get your spikes on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and always have fun.